Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the REALME C71. Okay, so let's open up our WhatsApp, just like that. And now we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can get access into the settings. Now find the chats. Now scroll down into the bottom and find chat backup. And now under the Google account we have our Google account that we are currently logged into on our device, and on that account that you can see on your own phone, the backup will be made and stored. So for example, in the future, if you want to restore the backup, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. Also, you can click on add account to add a new one. Okay, below we have option about automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but we have other modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap a backup mode. In my current setup, it's on the monthly. So basically that means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So basically it saves some time and I don't need to remember about it because it's going to be made automatically. Below we have option to include the videos. Okay, we can enable it because it also defaultly will be turned off. And in here we can see how many megabytes will be backupped. Also on the bottom we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you can create a unique password and that you will need to type in the future if you will want to restore your chats. So if you choose to create a password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, so once everything is selected, all you need to do is to tap on this green button, backup. Now the process will start, so let's wait until it's finished. In my case, it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. And now our backup has been successfully made. Below we can see when the last backup was created. In my case, I should take a look, it was like, 10 seconds ago, and below we can see its size. And now everything is done properly. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.